I was on with 755 Media. Just kidding.
Yeah.
We was exercising, stretching out, flying like a plane. You might hear her in the background. Yeah.
You just gotta stretch.
Hold them brushes out and stretch. And when I click my neck side to side. See, she talking about me. Oh yeah, she's talking about me, stretching out, cracking that neck and on cross-eyed.
He said, "Stop me, neck." Oh no! Wait a minute, Rob always taught you to rub. He said, "Rub."
I was painting the school bus. Yes, I was.
Right, she gonna get you.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. She's over there talking and playing that music, but I'm gonna show you. I was painting my school bus. I want 755 Media to know I did join in. I may not have finished because I wasn't prepared. But the next time I go on 755 Media, just kidding, I'm gonna be ready. I'm gonna be ready to paint because it is as relaxing as what I do, which is sewing. And then I gotta make a little area, which I announced on her during her live. I said, no, I have to have a special place to paint away from the fabric because I could just see myself making a mess. But 755 Media, just know that I'm going up with this as soon as Just Kidding is over today. Yeah, I'm just kidding. See y'all in the next one. And if your kids haven't joined 755's Just Kidding for the kids painting on the weekend, listen, it is worth every minute of it. Bring them in and have them sit down and learn something. Okay? Something, has some fun. They'll learn how to paint, how to handle their brushes, how to wash them, how to clean them, how to make the paint do what it do. Yeah, it's a good thing. I'm promoting 755 Media. Just kidding today. Okay? See y'all soon. Bye.